and welcome back to my channel. I'm Liz of Chicago Law Luxury Makeup. Today we're going to be talking about my recent Christmas purchase to myself. So the day after Christmas, the House of Sillage had a sale, and it was a pretty good sale. So I purchased a few items. Now, one of the things that they had on sale was like a bundle set with a lipstick bow case and 4 lipsticks. However, if you purchased the lipstick bow case separately and the lipsticks separately, it was a deeper discount because the cases and all the lipsticks were 30% off. So that's what I did. And then because I was saving money by doing it that way, I thought, well, let's just buy a second bow case. So that's what I did, you guys. I have no words. I have no words. But I have never purchased anything from the House of Sillage. I have been wanting one of those bow lipstick cases now for a long time, and I just couldn't do it. But I got money for Christmas, and so that's what I bought myself. And then a week later, the House of Sillage had yet another like New Year's Day sale where they brought back their Diamond Mystery Vault. And that box was, it was $500, but you get $2,000 worth of product. And it's supposed to arrive tomorrow. So my first box arrived today, and my Mystery Vault is to arrive tomorrow. But now I don't think that that's going to happen. And I didn't want to wait to open up this box and play with everything in it and look at everything. And so we're not waiting. We are going to open it, and I will post another video shortly thereafter with the Mystery Vault unboxing, which will be even more exciting because this box right here, I know what I purchased. The Mystery Vault, I have no idea what I purchased. So that's going to be really exciting. So today we are going to unbox this and then try on the lipsticks. So I'm purposely not wearing lipsticks so that I can swatch everything and put it on my lips and show you kind of what they look like on. Now, in full disclosure, I filmed a whole entire video completely unboxing it from the brown box that came in to the bubble wrap and everything, and it didn't record. So I have already opened this beautiful box. So we're gonna do it again. Hopefully it's recording this time. So here's the box that it comes in, and it has a little magnetic flap, and then you open it, and inside of it you get like a little thank you card, and then it's beautifully wrapped with the tissue paper and the sticker. And then there are all my goodies. So let's take a look at all the goodies. All right, so first we're gonna open up a lipstick bow case. This is the limited edition Whispers of Truth bow lipstick case. So when you open it up, it's got this beautiful white leather case, and then you open it up, and the case is in a pouch. So we're going to take the pouch out, and then here is the case. You guys, it is so beautiful, and it's got all of these Swarovski crystals all over it. I mean, it is gorgeous, and some of them are different colors. So I've got like a green crystal, blue, red, pink, purple. It's beautiful. And then you just open it, and then that's where the lipstick refills are going to go. All right, so it's sealed. I'm going to place it back, and now we're going to open up my second bow. You guys, I'm so excited. This is the Whispers of Admiration bow case. So this is the box. You open it, and you have a pink like felt hard case, And then you open it up and you've got the pink pouch. And then here is the pink. And again, it is so pretty. I love the flowers all over it. And then again, you still have all of those hand-placed Swarovski crystals. And same with the other one. You open it, it's empty. And then you can put your refills in there. So let's get playing with these lipsticks that I bought. All right, so we bought 4 lipsticks. We bought 3 satin lipsticks. These are the diamond powder satin lipsticks. And then I bought 1 diamond powder lip balm. So first we have the balm, and this is Rose Balm. So they all come in this gold case, and then you open it and the lipstick is in here. And what you're going to do is I'll just place this one in here. You just snap it in and you can hear that it snaps, and you twist up. And so because this one is a balm, it's very light. So there it is. It's the Rose Balm. And it's very light. And I'm going to just apply this on my lips. It feels like a balm. You're not getting a lot of pigment. Like, I really don't notice much pigment at all. Just gives my lips just a little bit of moisture. So that is the Rose Balm. All right, so I'm gonna just leave that in there, and then we'll place all the others in the pink. So the next one that I picked up is the Diamond Powder Satin Lipstick in the Nudes collection. And this is the Bombshell. So again, the gold case. You pop it out. I'll just stick it inside here. And I'll show you, it just snaps down. So there is the Bombshell. So that one you can see is a lot more pigmented. So let me wipe off my lips and we will apply this. All right, so this is the Bombshell. All right, so I'm going to take this out so that we can try a different one. All right, so my next one is the Exotic Rosewood, and this is also part of the Nudes collection that they had. So again, same gold packaging. And it comes out. And then we'll just pop it in. All right, and then here it is, Exotic Rosewood. So very similar, just slightly darker, but again, very similar. So let me take this off, take the lipstick that's on off, and then we'll apply this. All right, so my lipstick is off, and this is Exotic Rosewood. All right, this is a lot darker than I expected. But I think it'll still work. But it's going to take a while for me to get used to. All right, so take this one out. And then the last one we got is also part of the Nudes collection, and this is called Peachfully Speaking. All right, so there it is. This one is a little bit lighter. And it's right there on the end. All right, so let's try this one. All right, so I took that one off as best as I could. I still think there might be, made my lips a little bit darker, but we'll go in with this Peachfully Speaking. All right, and that one is just a very nice nude, pink nude. All right, so again, those are the 4 lipsticks that I got. And the 2 beautiful cases. These are so nice. Now, also in this box was a free gift that came that I was not expecting. And this is the Whispers in the Garden collection. This is their travel size spray of every single fragrance of their Whispers of the Garden collection. So this is a really, really nice gift. I have never tried any of the House of Sillage perfumes. I've never smelled them. I've never anything. This is my first foot into the House of Sillage door. Like, I'm brand new here. And I actually don't wear a lot of perfume. I do. I mean, I wear perfume every day. But I've been wearing the same one for 25, 26 years. I mean, since like 1995-ish, I've been wearing the exact same perfume. I have another perfume by the same brand, but it smells just slightly different. But other than that, I've been wearing the exact same perfume since high school. And so this is very, very new to me. I keep trying new perfumes, but nothing really jumps out at me. So I am really, really excited to try these. So I have Whispers of Admiration, Whispers of Guidance, Whispers of Enlightenment, Whispers of Innocence, Whispers of Strength, Whispers of Time, and Whispers of Truth. And these are all 8 milliliters. You get 7 of them, and they are all parfums. So they are a very high concentration of the perfume oil. So these are like the expensive ones, not the like eau de toilette or, whatever. This is the good stuff. So I just want to spray one just to kind of see if I like it. So I'm going to spray Whispers of Guidance. And it smells really, really good. It's very light. I think I'm going to like this collection a lot, just based on the name alone, Whispers in the Garden. I'm not a real, like, spicy perfume wearer, if that makes sense. I like sweet floral fragrances, and so I think I'm really gonna like those. So I'm really excited to play around with those. I'm really, really excited to wear these lipsticks. The one that I have on right now might be my favorite. I really like the color. It really suits me, but I'm definitely going to keep playing with these just to kind of see what I like. And probably very shortly after I get this video up, there will be another video unboxing from House of Sillage, and that is going to be my Diamond Mystery Vault video. And like I said, I don't know when it's coming. For all I know, it could show up on my doorstep tomorrow. I don't know. The UPS notification just says date tentative now due to complications in shipping. I don't even know what that means. But we will just have to wait and see. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really, really appreciate it. If you can't tell, I'm so excited for all of my recent purchases. Like this was my Christmas gift to myself, and I'm very excited. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't done so already, I encourage you to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you.